Welcome to Jesús Manuel Mena Garza Photography, video and audio. This morning I walked over to my local Best Buy shop and bought myself a new laptop because my old MacBook Pro M1 16-inch went kaput, so I had to buy something new, and I ended up buying this, something on the PC side, the Windows side. So this is an HP Spectre 360 2-in-1 laptop. Here's some of the specs, and coming up are more specs that you can pause the video and read. It has a 1 terabyte solid state drive, 16 gigs of RAM, and it has a 14-inch 2.8K OLED display. So again, quite the laptop, especially for under $1,000 plus tax, etc., etc. I didn't get the extended warranty. I'm crossing my fingers. Hopefully this laptop lasts a while. This is just an unboxing. In the future, I plan to install, maybe tomorrow, I'll install DaVinci Resolve and also Photoshop and use it, and you can take a peek and see how it's working for me. So here's the unboxing. It has a nice eco-friendly container. I like that. Are you into the environment? Some of us are. Some of us don't want to say drill, baby, drill. So here's the box for the Spectre. HP, Hewlett, and Packard from Palo Alto. I've been to their facilities many times growing up in the Bay Area. So let me put the laptop to the side and show you some of the stuff inside the box. Let me put that over here and lift it up, and it did not have the pin. They said, hey, Jesus, at this price, we're not going to give you the pin or the dongles. Sorry about that. So here's some of the instructions, specifications, and information that you can probably download from the HP website. Comes with a rather nice small brick. I really like it. 65 water. That's plenty for my use case scenario. How about you? Do you think this is enough wattage for a power brick? And here's the what you connect into the wall. As a guy who does a lot of yard work, my hands aren't in the absolute perfect shape. They're all mangled, so I'm not wearing gloves. Just to show you folks these when I do unboxings, etc. So there's the laptop in one of its iterations. As a laptop, of course, it also goes into tent mode and other modes in tablet mode. Has a very nice, again, OLED screen, 14 inches, 2.8K OLED, 400 nits. I like it quite a bit. Excellent keyboard. I really like the functionality of this keyboard. It felt very good, pressing those keys. And it has a very nice haptic touchpad. On this corner, you have the combination headphone and microphone input, and a spot over here where you can put a USB-A dongle or plug or whatever you want right there. Pretty straightforward. I like this look of the laptop. Again, the main reason I bought this is to carry in my backpack, do some very modest video and photography editing. Just about any laptop and today available on the market can do photography. It's the video aspect that for some laptops has some issues. So I'll be doing some testing over the next few days to see how it's working out for me. Here it is in tent mode. So if you're making a presentation, talking about your work, your photographs, your artwork, your corporation, you can put it in tent mode. And this is the best way if you're going to draw on it. It's nice and flat. You got a solid surface of a table. Hopefully your table's solid and you can draw on it, do stuff. I'm considering buying the $60 pen in the next coming week. Here it is as a tablet, and that's a good sized tablet, don't you think? And again, you can draw, take notes in class. If you're in your quantum mechanics class, your physics class, or your art class, you can take notes, do some sketching, etc., etc. Very, very nice. What do you think? Of course, you can also have it in its classic laptop mode. Type out your little notes, write a script, do something absolutely brilliant on this portable, lightweight, easy to lug around laptop. That's why I bought it. Again, here's some more specs. Don't forget to become a member of this channel. I would greatly appreciate it. You get certain benefits. Please like, subscribe, and share. Muchas gracias, and ring the bell for future notifications. Your friendly and kind comments are always appreciated. And don't forget to check out my photography page, JMMGARZA.com. This has been Jesús Manuel Mena Garza doing an unboxing of an HP Spectre 360 2-in-1 laptop, 14-inch edition. Thanks for checking out my channel. Gracias. Adios. Bye-bye.